turn, Marvelous Mark Mero. She's got her sights set on Marvelous Mark.
Well, was this just another PR move by Mr. McMahon? We'll talk more about the Sable situation as the parade of human oddities is once again on display.
By the Jackal at a total combined weight of 729 pounds, the team of Golga and Kurgan.
I understand the Jackal's going to talk with you about joining the human oddities parade.
No. Jackal's going to join us for some commentary. Talking about a man who's his own PR master. Did you hear that combined weight? 729 pounds. They're the biggest team in the World Wrestling Federation.
Well, perhaps. What about the team of Mankind and Kane?
The new #1 contenders went through 9 other teams in the 10-team Royal Rumble this past week on Raw. Watch out!
Oh, double clothesline by Kurgan. And Kurgan now setting his sights on Joe White. And Mr. White tossed out of the ring with ease.
And leaving Chris Young in there all by himself. I don't feel good about this young man's chances.
Well, I don't feel good about this either, because here comes the Jackal.
I understand, Jackal. You're very pleased with the debut of the parade.
Ladies and gentlemen, 4.4. Those numbers should mean something to you, because that's the Nielsen rating that the Parade of Human Oddities drew on Raw is 4. The fact of the matter is that means there are literally millions of people worldwide jackaling off to the hottest promotional angle in the history of the World Wrestling Federation. I'm sorry that you live in a sick voyeuristic society, but that's the fact. The Jackal subscribes to the theory of give the people what they want, and as long as I continue to deliver ratings like that, Mr. McMahon allows me to remain on television.
Well, thank you, Mr. Jackal. I still don't understand what he's babbling about, Kevin.
He's talking cold, hard numbers. Something a mathematical-looking geek like you could probably relate to.
Well, speaking of numbers, thanks again, everybody, for making Raw is War the #1 sports entertainment program in all of television this past week.
And the Jackal would like to take some credit for that.
Well, I guess he's got a point. And Kurgan and Golga extremely impressive this week on Shotgun.
Oh, my! Oh! You can hear his teeth come together. Ouch!
Chris Young in all kinds of trouble. Hey, let's get back to the Sable thing for a minute. I mean, why is she back here? I mean, she lost to Miro. I mean, the stipulation in that contract was that she would have to leave the World Wrestling Federation.
But certainly, only one man could bring Sable back, and that is Vince McMahon, the owner of the World Wrestling Federation.
Why did he do it then?
Well, my sources tell me that Mr. McMahon's been on our website. There's been thousands and thousands of petitions sent requesting Sable to come back. And I think that this is a stroke of public relations genius on behalf of Mr. McMahon.
Well, he sure could use it. As Golga now hammers away on Chris Young.
What, the humanitarian of the year? Everyone loves it.
Oh, yeah. By the way, you did a great job in that ceremony.
Thank you very much.
I was hanging on every word you said that night.
Yeah, I'd like to give you something to hang on.
And here's Kurgan now, stepping through the ropes. Big boot to the midsection by the 350-pounder.
I'm telling you, since the addition of Golga... Oh! Hi! The largest human being on the face of the earth, Princess Luna, and the rest of the oddities, Kurgan has really stepped up his physical presence in the ring, and this man is now becoming very, very devastating.
Golga now steps in. Where's that mask to hide, I guess, the deformities on his head, at least according to Jackal?
Cranial facial disorder, it's termed, and I certainly would not like to take a look at that. And, I mean, I look at Golga, I think of someone like Kane as well, a man who hasn't spoken over 20 years. There as we get a shot of that. Certainly, I'll be very interested to hear what Kane has to say for the first time ever, folks, this Monday on Raw.
I've not seen Joe White in the ring helping his partner Chris Young out at all.
Can you blame him?
Chris has been in the ring this whole match.
It's kind of like our partnership. I do all the work, and you sit on the outside.
And here's the paralyzer now by Kurgan on Chris Young. Joe White climbs the rope.
Here he comes.
Look at him.
Oh, my.
Kurgan caught him in midair with a paralyzer. It's over. What strength by that monster.
Here are your winners, the team of Kurgan and Golga.
With a drunken dwarf, with a crackhead,
an elephant boy.
With an elephant boy, people might laugh. Physical presence like Kurgan and Golga is no laughing matter.
Gotta keep that off TV. Well, Jackal again babbling on about the ratings, but look at Kurgan, frothing at the mouth. Golga wearing that mask to hide his facial deformities.
I wonder what the tag team champs, the New Age Outlaws, who join us later on, think not only about Golga and Kurgan, but also about Kane and Mankind.
Kurgan and Golga victorious this week on Shotgun. As they head back to the locker room area, folks, plenty more to come.